There are many muscles used when biking. We are going to cover the muscles of the forearm, hamstring, and lower leg. The flexors of the wrist and hand function in flexing the wrist and fingers, which is used when gripping the handlebars. The flexor carpi ulnaris functions in flexing the wrist, especially the pinky finger, and it adducts the hand. The origin is the medial epicondyle of the humerus, and the insertion is the medial carpals. The palmaris longus is a weak wrist flexor which originates in the medial epicondyle of the humerus and inserts in the palmar aponeurosis. The flexor carpi radialis functions in the flexion of the wrist, primarily the thumbs, and abducts the hand. It originates in the medial epicondyle of the humerus and inserts in the lateral carpals. The hamstrings function to extend the thigh and are important in pedaling. The bicep femoris is the prime mover of the hamstring and functions to extend the thigh, flex, and laterally rotate the leg. The origin is the ischial tuberosity and posterior shaft of the femur, and the insertion is the head of the fibula. The semitendinosus functions as a synergist to the bicep femoris and also medially rotates the leg. It originates in the ischial tuberosity and inserts in the proximal medial surface of the tibia. The semimembranosus is also a synergist to the bicep femoris and originates in the ischial tuberosity and inserts in the posterior surface of the medial condyle of the tibia. The posterior lower leg muscles function to flex the foot and aid the motion of pedaling. The gastrocnemius is the prime mover and function in flexion of the leg and plantar flexion of the foot. The origin is the posterior aspect of the femur and the insertion is the calcaneus of the foot. The soleus is the synergist to the gastrocnemius in the plantar flexion of the foot and originates in the posterior proximal tibia and fibula and also inserts in the calcaneus.